How to use recently deleted features on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use recently deleted features on your Instagram. So guys, this is the latest updated features of Instagram. So what you need to do here, it's very pretty simple. I'm going to show you in this video, and before starting the videos I would like to request you, please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, what you need to do, first of all, you have to go to your App Store or Google Play Store, and then now here what you need to do here, you just need to search for Instagram here. So let me just show you by searching this, and then here it's same on your Android and iOS, and then here you can see you'll find an option, update option. Simply click on update and make sure to update your Instagram. Now what you have to do to use the recently deleted feature, simply click on Instagram, and then here let me just show you what's these features, from where you can get these features. So if I go to my profile, I have only three, this is my only three photos, and as you can see here, this is my official Instagram account. You can follow me here and you can ask for any queries. So now let me just go to this 3 days on the top right corner and click on this archive, and then here I have lots of archives. So let me just enable this archive here, show on profile. So let me just click on show on profile, and then here let me just go back, and here you can see this is the one that I have enabled. So to use this recently deleted features, let me just explain you what does it mean. If you delete this now, you can see if I delete this now, and then if you want the same photos back within 30 days, then you will be getting these features, you will be getting these photos very easily. So how you can get this, it's very pretty simple. You have to come on your profile section, and you have to click on these 3 days on the top right corner on the top. Simply tap here and click on the settings option. Simply click your settings, and then here you will find account. Simply tap on account, and then here you will find recently deleted features. You can see here this is the one. So just tap here, and then here you can see just uh, because something went wrong while loading the screen. So for my phone, it is getting some error, but in your phone it will be available, and my network is not that good, so it is taking some it is getting some error. So in this way you can use it. If you go to this recently deleted features, you will find the deleted videos, deleted photos, deleted story, everything you will find here within only 30 days. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.